In some circumstances, 5-axis cycles can be difficult to apply. The aim of the 5-axis operation inside Edgecam is to quickly and easily create a basic 5-axis toolpath. More advanced options are available as required. In this example, we'll explore some of these options. As you can see on this part, we're going to machine the bore. If we zoom in and look at the side view, we have sectioned through the part, and you can see there's an undercut to this bore. So we're going to apply a toolpath using the 5-axis finishing cycle. For this, we need to define a start point, which will be the center of the bore, and also the drive geometry, which is the surface we would like to machine, all picked direct from the model. So inside the operation, we define some basic parameters: tilt angle, depth of cut, and also define the tool we would like to use. So looking in the tool database, we filter for a ball nose and pull in an 8mm ball mill. Okay, so the toolpath's defined. As you can see, it only goes halfway through the bore. If we simulate, we'll see the reason for this is that Edgecam is seeing a collision between the holder and the top of the part. So the toolpath is stopped and the tool retracted out of the part safely. However, we do need to get through this bore, so we're going to open up Edgecam cycle, which has more options and more advanced options to control the tool. For the check options, we're going to set some clearance for the shank and the holder, and we're also going to tell Edgecam to check both shank and holder against the surfaces we're going to machine. If there's a collision, we need to tilt away using a side tilt strategy in either direction. This is the only collision checking that we're going to do on this particular application. So if we regenerate the cycle, you'll see now we have a toolpath all the way through the part. When we simulate, you'll see the tool comes in as before, but now that it gets close to this collision point, the tool is tilted away from the surfaces, allowing full access to the bore, and allows the tool to go all the way through and finish the component, all done automatically within Edgecam. Let's take this through into our simulator. We'll skip the roughing operation and move straight to the finishing. We will see the tool approach and the C-axis spin. The A-axis is being used to control the tilt of the tool, and as the tool gets further down the bore, the angle of the A-axis increases to allow full access to the tool and the holder. I hope this short video has been of interest to yourself. Thank you.